Dear fellow coders, welcome to One Little Coder. Let's talk about a problem that a lot of us face. You have got a Google Colab that is available with GPU and TPU, and you want to run a Streamlit application on Google Colab. It's not as straightforward as it might look like, because the way you run a Streamlit application when it is on your local machine is you just have to basically say Streamlit run app.py. Yeah. So this is how you typically run a Streamlit application if it is on your local machine. But that is not possible for you to do it on a Google Colab environment straight away, because you will get a local host URL which is applicable for that Linux machine that you are getting on Google Colab, but you may not be able to see that link somewhere on. So you cannot share that link with your friends. And the typical solution that people use for this kind of problem is Ngrok. Ngrok is an amazing solution, but Ngrok is not the only solution that you can use. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run, host, and share a Google Colab notebook, Streamlit application on a Google Colab notebook without Ngrok. And the solution that we're going to look at is particularly called LocalTunnel. So before we look into LocalTunnel, let us start building a simple Streamlit application, and then let's see how to run it without Ngrok and on Google Colab environment. So once you open your Google Colab environment, pip install Streamlit, quietly install it. So queue. After you install it, you have to create your Streamlit application. I've created a very simple Streamlit application, and the first step that I have to do is I have to write the Streamlit application. Whatever is available in this code, I want to write it in app.py file. So execute this. At the end of this step, you would see writing app.py file, and you can go to your file section and you can see that the file exists. So for us to run this app.py file, we have to run the content of the cell within a Python file. So you don't have to manually go export it and upload it. You don't have to do any of those things. All you have to do is simply write the cell Python code into an app.py file. Okay. So after you do that, then the typical step that people follow is install py-ngrok, and then invoke Ngrok and then run it on a port and then see it. But that's not what we are going to do here. What we are going to do here is we're going to use a solution called LocalTunnel. So LocalTunnel is the solution that we are interested in at this point to run Streamlit application on Google Colab and share the link. Let me run this, and then when